Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I'm there before you again after so long. I'm making this video today after so long because I got married on 26th July, and after the marriage I didn't get time to make the videos. As you can understand that in in-laws house you cannot get so much of time in between the relatives to make the video separately. So that's why I couldn't make the video. I apologize for that. But today I just took out my time for you all guys especially. And today's video is going to be an emotional one because after the marriage you miss your parents, siblings a lot, and that's the same thing that is happening with me. I'm missing my parents, my siblings a lot, and for them I wrote a Hindi poem, and I'm going to share the same poem with you all guys because I know that the feelings that I'm going to share with you all, you will surely understand those feelings. You will get my emotions that I want to share with you all, and the lines that I will share with you today, that lines are really true, and that just came from the deepest corner of my heart, and you will surely understand that. You will love this poem, I know. If you love my poem, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to never miss another update from Kavita Kapoor. So, without wasting much of your time and my time also, I'm going to begin my poem. Listen this poem, watch this video, and you will surely like it. This video is going to be an amazing video. So let's start the poem. And the title of my poem is मायके की याद. सास बहुत अच्छी है मेरी, सुबह 9 बजे से पहले नहीं उठाती, पर माँ तुम्हारा डांट कर सुबह जल्दी उठा देना बहुत याद आता है. मेरे ससुर मुझे बेटियों की तरह रखते हैं, कभी किसी चीज के लिए रोकते टोकते नहीं, पर पापा का बार बार बेटा बेटा करके बुलाना और सारे काम परफेक्शन से कराना बहुत याद आता है. देवर जेठ की तो जैसे बहन हूँ मैं, मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ लेकर आते हैं, पर भाई से हर चीज कह कह कर मंगवाना बहुत याद आता है. नंद बहुत प्यारी है मेरी, बहुत अच्छे से बात करती है मुझसे, पर बहन का हमेशा गुस्से से बात करना बहुत याद आता है. मुझ में तो जैसे पति की जान बसती है, हर चीज कहने से पहले हाजिर हो जाती है, पर माँ आपसे गोलगप्पे और पापा से जलेबियाँ मंगवाना बहुत याद आता है. यहाँ मेरे हाथ का बनाया हुआ खाना सब शौक से खा लेते हैं, पर माँ आपका कभी कभी बताकर और अच्छे से सिखाना बहुत याद आता है. मेरा ससुराल सिर्फ 15 मिनट की दूरी पर है, मैं कभी भी घर आ जा सकती हूँ, पर माँ आपका 5 मिनट भी मुझे खुद से दूर ना करना बहुत याद आता है. यह परिवार मेरा जीवन बन चुका है जो मुझे जीना है, पर आप सबका सांसें बनकर मेरे साथ साथ चलना बहुत याद आता है. Through this video, I just want to tell you all that I love you all a lot. And no words can express my emotions, my feelings for you all. But through this poem, I just want to tell you that I love you all, I'm missing you all, and no one can take your place in my life. I really want to do so many of the things for you, and I will be doing till the end of my life. You are everything for me, you will be everything for me, and So that was the poem that I want to share with you all, and I hope that you will really like my poem. If you like my poem, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to never miss another update from Kavita Kapoor. So many more poems are there. So many more poems are there with me to share with you all, and I hope that you really want to listen all those poems. If you, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And there are so many things to share with you all if you really want to meet with my husband, my in-laws, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, and how do I live in my house, in my new house. What's my routine here, then you can let me know and I'll share everything with you all. I'll start making the vlogs. So I'll be waiting for your response, and please let me know that did you like my poem or not. Till then, keep watching English with Kavita Kapoor. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.